Are you excited?
Yeah.
Ayun, punong-puno ng gamit.
Mommy.
Okay, see you there. Punta na kaming ferry. So, andito na kami sa may ferry terminal. Pero meron kaming wait time. Si Lauren, gusto niya munang maglaro dito sa may playground. Okay, maglaro muna si Lauren. Again, spinning.
Okay, personally, my favorite part of the trips are always the ferries. I don't know, I just like the ferries. And when I hear that the ferry trip's an hour or more, I get so happy. I don't know. And then last time, me and my cousins, we had an arcade at the ferry, and we were just there the entire ferry ride. Okay, so it was on, and it was so windy out here. But right now they have bubble tea. So wait, this is where I'm at, and it's like a little kind of like souvenir shop, but I want food. Slushy, there's pizza. Wait, I saw bubble tea though, and I kind of want it, but I don't know. There's salads. Oh, and there's Starbucks. The thing is, Starbucks has the longest lineup, so I don't know if it's worth it. I might get matcha. Look at that. My sister would have liked that. She would have saw all the candy apples. Isn't that technically healthy though? Because it's apples. So the only thing that I saw that I was actually planning, my hair is so messy due to the wind. I'm rushing around everywhere, but why is it so quiet in here all of a sudden? I want poutine. It was like really busy there, and everyone was like kind of squished and pushing each other around, so I had to go. I'm back with my beautiful mother. I should have got Starbucks there.
We inside the ferry.
Where are we?
We inside the ferry.
Yeah, so we're inside the ferry na. So we're gonna buy some snacks first.
What?
You can have cucumber, broccoli like that. Oh, it's moving na. The ferry is moving na, oh. So, it's very rocky. Nahihilo kami. Masyadong maalon ngayon.
Nahihilo ka na.
Yeah. I want to go upstairs. I want to go outside. It's so rocky, and when I'm inside while I'm walking, it feels like I'm gonna fall forward. Ma, what do you have to say about this trip?
It's very trippingly rocky.
I didn't understand. So we're going outside cuz I got too dizzy. It's better outside. Very nice, right guys? This is the third ferry I saw. It's so cold. But it's very pretty, guys. Can you guys hear the wind? The wind was pushing me back. That's how light I am, guys.
Nakarating na kami dito sa... Saan na to, mahal? Basta Swartz Bay. Pero dadaan muna kami ng Canadian Tire dahil nakalimutan namin yung foldable table namin. French Beach! Yay! Mag-set up muna kami ng tent na hiniram namin kay Jelly at Russell. Thank you so much, guys. Naset na namin yung tent namin.
And
Which is yan.
We're going camping.
Yeah. Papunta na kami sa beach. Titingnan namin na yung beach. Aniwan na nila ako. Dahil alam mo naman, pag ang nanay, siya pa ang magliligpit bago siya maging ready. So, naririnig ko na yung alon. So, ito ay nasa Pacific Ocean, sabi nila. Kaya medyo malamig at medyo maalon. At ipapakita ko sa inyo yung view. Nandito kami ulit sa French Beach. Dito yung beach access. Ayan siya. Ito yung walkway papunta sa beach. Hindi naman siya ganun siguro kalayuan. Pero kasi yung, alam niyo na, ko ayan na pala sila. How was it? You saw the beach? Really? Okay. Oh, wow.
It's very steep.
It is very steep. Ang lakas ng alon, anak! Grabe! Ang lakas pala ng alon dito, wow! Okay, yan si ate. Magbabike siya pababa. So, ayan na si Lauren. Excited na siyang pumunta sa beach. May park din dito. Galing kami dun sa taas. Yan na yung beach. French beach. Ganda. So, tapos na kami sa beach. Yan si Lauren, nagpabasa. So, ito na yung campsite namin. Naliligo na si Lauren din. Grabing dami ng insect, oh. Wait, isprayan ko sila sa... Diyan. Sobrang dami.
May katol na.
May
Ganun pa din.
partida na yun, oh.
Ang luwang nitong ano nila jelly.
Ayan. Isprayan ko sila para mamatay. Grabe.
Diyan sila pumapesto.
Good morning. Lauren's awake na. Say good morning, friends.
Good morning, friend.
They're still sleeping. It's 8 o'clock. We're gonna have breakfast now. What do you want for breakfast, Anna? Huh? Breakfast na. Breakfast is served. Sa aking mag-amang naghihintay. Si Papa nag-cook na siya ng hotdog and egg. Tapos yun na yung additional breakfast nila. Ayan na sila. Nagsusing na si Lauren. Are you happy, Lauren?
Yeah.
Maganda dito. Medyo malalayo yung mga campsite na iba. So, meron yung nandoon. Doon. Tapos dito sa likod namin. So, parang may privacy ka pa din. Hindi siya yung open na nakikita mo sila.